Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you seriously need. See, this changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it feels incredibly high quality, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it saves you so much time. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you seriously need. See, this changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was